Hi, hello everyone. Good evening. My name is A. Chandrasekhar, ACR as faculty. Let us start today. Properties of triangles. So cosine rule. Properties of triangles. Triangles. Cosine rule. How to find out cosine rule in a triangle ABC? In a triangle ABC, so vertex opposite to BC side is length A, vertex opposite of BAC is the side length B, vertex C opposite length of AB is the small c. Now you draw perpendicular to BC, so it is a D. AD is perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, right? Let us consider triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, right angle triangle is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. You know the Pythagoras theorem using right angle triangle. AC square equal to AB square. Sorry, AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Let it be take as a 1. One more triangle. It is also a right angle. AD is a perpendicular to BC. Here also AD is a perpendicular to BC. ADC. In triangle ADC, AC square equal to, here also use the Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. From this equation we can write as AD square. AD square is the subject. AC square minus CD square. It is equation 2. Now equation 2 is substituting 1. Is substituting 1. So what is the equation 1? AB square equal to BD square plus AD square. Instead of AD square can be write as AC square minus CD square. So let it be right now. BD square equal to, what is the AD value? AC square minus CD square. You can take the length of AB. AB can be write as small c. BD can be write as like that only, BD square. Right? Now AC square can be write as length of BC square minus, now you observe very clearly, CD can be write as, see, observe here, CD can be write as BC minus BD. So right, BC minus BD. Now you remember that one identity. What is the identity here? A minus B whole square. What is the identity? You know, A square minus 2AB plus B square. It is an algebraic identity. Now you follow the same way. BD square plus B square small b square according to the formula, right? BC square minus 2BC into BD, right? So BD square. Now you substitute the value BD square plus BC square minus BC square plus 2BC into BD, right? You multiply with minus BD square. Now you simplify, minus BD square plus BD square gets cancelled. What are the remaining terms here? B square. BC can be write as what is the length of BC? Small a square. So right, plus 2BC into BD. Let it be observed. One more thing here. I want to take a BD. It is in triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. Cos B equal to cos B. Cos B equal to. What is the cos formula in trigonometric ratio? Cos B means adjacent by hypotenuse. BD by AB. BD by AB. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. You can write way here. BD can be write as AB into cos B. Right? Now you substitute C square equal to B square minus A square plus 2 into BC can be write as, instead of BD can be write as AB into cos B. AB can be write small a cos B. Small a cos B. So write C square plus B square minus A square. Right? C square B square minus A square 2A BD plus 2A. Yes, we conclude that therefore C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC equal to cos B. Similarly, we can prove it cos C and cos A also. So A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB equal to cos C. Next, cos A square plus C square minus A square by 2BC equal to cos A. Thank you.